Easter is here. Bella the bunny wakes up excited. She is ready for a big adventure to the top of the hill, where a special day awaits. With a hop, skip, and a jump, Bella starts up the hill. She hops past flowers and butterflies, her ears bouncing with every leap. I wonder what surprise is waiting on the top, she thinks, smiling. Wait for me, Joey shouts, hopping as fast as his little bunny legs can carry him. He wants to catch up with Bella and not miss out on the Easter fun. Bella and Joey reach the top and find their parents by a big, golden cross. Happy Easter! Everyone cheers. The cross reminds us of new beginnings and joy, says Mama Bunny with a smile. Each bunny takes turns and says what they're thankful for, and their wishes for the new year. Spring is here. Panpan the panda is ready for a big climb up the mountain. He wants to see something very special at the top. Panpan hops over little rocks. He sees many flowers and apples on his way. "Hello, apples," he says, laughing and running up the hill. At the top, Panpan finds his mama and papa waiting. "You made it, Panpan," they say, giving him a big hug. "Let's make a good wish," says Mama. Panpan closes his eyes, wishing for fun and lots of yummy bamboo. He feels happy and peaceful. After their morning adventures, Panpan, Bella, and Joey have a new task. It's time to plant rice with Papa Panda. Rice grows all summer to be our food in the fall, Papa Panda says. He shows Panpan, Bella, and Joey how to plant rice seeds. Now, it's Easter egg hunt time. Panpan is very excited. He looks everywhere. Found one. He shouts, picking up a bright yellow egg. He is so happy. Now it's Joey's turn. He hops fast, eyes wide, searching for eggs. Eggs, where are you? He giggles, hopping around. Bella is all set for her egg hunt. She's smart and quick. "I'll find the most," she whispers, darting off like the wind. Mama Bunny and Mama Panda have prepared a special dinner. There are rice balls, crunchy broccolis, sweet carrots, and juicy apples, everyone's favorites. As the sun sets, it's dinner time for Bella, Joey, and Panpan. After a day full of adventures, they're ready for a yummy meal. After dinner, it's dance time. Bella, Joey, and Panpan stand up by the bonfire. Samba is fun. Joey giggles as they twirl around. But soon, they start to yawn. Dancing by the fire has made them sleepy. 1, 2, 3, hop. They giggle as they land softly into their beds. After a fun day full of adventures, it's bedtime for Panpan, Bella, and Joey. They're ready for sleep. Good night, Bella. Good night, Joey. Good night, Panpan, and good night to you too. Thank you for sharing our spring adventure. Sweet dreams until we meet again.